So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download Realtek audio driver for Windows 11. So first of all, open any browser on your PC. For example, let's open Chrome. Now here search for Realtek audio driver. Now open the first link that appears. Now here scroll down. And here you will see these download options. Here we have 64-bit exe file. And then we have 32-bit exe file. So my Windows 11 is 64-bit. So I will click on this download button next to it. Now here, select accept. Now click on download this file. Now enter the captcha. Click on submit. Now click on this option. And select download unverified file. And this will start downloading Realtek audio driver. Once the driver is downloaded, you can install it. So this way I can download Realtek audio driver for Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.